Check, check. Oh, I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. Na 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 na. Hey. All right. Okay. So yeah. Oh. All right. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Just watching some Kiss videos here. They're back on the road. It's the end of the road tour. It's Kiss's last tour. You know, it's like the farewell tour. Remember from 20 years ago when they said it was the farewell tour? So yeah. Anyway, I was thinking today maybe a good Ojibwe word of the day could be GABEKANA.
Oh yeah.
GABEKANA, end of the road. And I bring that up because sometimes people ask me, hey, what does this Ojibwe word mean?
Mm-hmm.
And, there's a lake not far from here called GABEKANA. And then there's GABEKANA Corners that after they fix the road, there's no corners anymore, so nobody knows where that is. But GABEKANA is actually just sort of a mispronunciation of GABEKANA, and it means the end of the road. All right, so this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And I don't know, you want to add anything here, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. Well, just want to say miigwech for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawa min, minowa, hoa. All right, should we watch some more Kiss?
Yeah, let's do that. I love Kiss. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. Oh, but geez, this is my favorite thing. Oh.
You think they could afford another microphone? I mean, Gene and Tommy are basically kissing when they sing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That. I don't know, man. Gotta say. Yeah, I think they look great.
Yeah, they really do.
I was kind of prepared not to like it.
Oh, really? How come?
Well, I don't know, Oh,
I wonder if they're lip syncing. Lip syncing. Whatever. Gene's gotten really fat.
yeah.